Hey everyone! So I had enough paint left from my Soulmate kits that I decided to go ahead and do it on a small round with the leftovers. And we're just going to pour this really quick. Careful I don't drip this time. See my white coming. Oh, I did it again. Oh, that one's not going to be salvageable. It's too close to the middle. We will fix it with a skewer. I hope. Actually, I may just take this off because it's really cool on this side. Did I get it? I got it. Just a little bit of that white. So there you go. Stretch that blue down. I don't like anything in the middle. I think I'm happy with that right there. So of course the colors that we used on this side was the Manganese blue, the Grumbacher permanent light blue, Craftsmart seamless pearl, and a Lukas turquoise. This side was Lukas permanent violet, Lukas mauve, Liquitex deep violet, and Craftsmart purple pearl. So those were the 4 colors that we used for each side. So in total 8 colors, but we did layer black in between each Soulmate pour. If you watch the previous video, you will see how I layered those cups. And I also want to tell you a little trick that I learned from Nate Cerami. If you're not subbed to him, please do so. He's very talented. But if you cut the edge of your cup on the opposite side of what you're pouring, you'll be able to get your cups closer together at the very end if you want to use all your paint. So that way your edges are not hitting each other. But there's still a little bit of paint in there, and I'm just going to throw that on a tile. And that's going to be it. So sub if you haven't already. Click on that bell. Check out all the links below. Leave us a comment, like the video, and share. Have yourselves a great day, and we'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.